little guy.
Hi, little kid.
Put your head up there. Ready for a hat?
Oh, little guy.
Hi.
Hi. It's okay, little man. Yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
Can I take a quick peek? Make sure everything's okay. Sorry. I'm just trying to get it
Do
straight.
what you gotta do.
Hi.
Sorry, Mama.
It's okay.
I'm just trying to get this
Hi, sweetheart.
Go.
wet cold thing away from him.
You're okay, dude.
Thank you guys for coming.
You're okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, little man.
We are so happy to see you.
Yeah.
You are my hero. You did amazing.
You're a good little guy, huh?
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Look at him with a teeny little nose.
And teeny little nose. Teeny little guy.
Okay.
Oh, little man.
No.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. You're a good little guy, huh? You're a good little man.
Here we go, dude. All right,
I
we're gonna
don't
weigh
know,
you.
Dr. Goldberg. Do you know, Britt, what time he was born?
It was like 9:30.
It was like 9:28.
9:28.
Not that I was looking at the clock or anything.
Okay.
Okay, dude. Let's see how much you weigh. Let's see how much you weigh.
Here. So, yep, just we're not going to touch anything.
No. Let's see what he is. Lift, baby.
Oh, you're not that much. 7 something.
Replace baby. Here we go. Daddy's phone is about to melt.
Okay, 3450 grams, which is 710.
7.
Okay.
Here we go. This is Cole's first bath. Hello. Look at these teeny little hands. Look at these teeny little fingers. Here we go, dude. Here we are, dude. Yes, hello.
Oh, not yet?
Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
is it in the bathroom?
Oh, you're nice and warm, aren't you?
For a patient?
Look at this little dude.
Oh, maybe 17. Maybe 17.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Okay, the face, we don't use soap on the face, okay?
Yeah.
You know that already. Except the face.
No
The rest
soap
we
on the
use
face.
Johnson baby soap.
Yeah. There it is, dude.
Oh, so 21 is not here yet, Olive?
On the way, though.
Yeah, I know. You tell her. Hi there, dude. What do you say there, Cole? How's life so far? Huh? Not so bad. Hi there, buddy. What do you say? What are you thinking about over there? All your deep thoughts, huh? Hi. Hi. You are just checking everything out, aren't you? Okay.